trees, the breeze, they blow them all around. Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from, please like, subscribe, and share. I see the subscribe button right here to the rock. Check this one out. It's on Amazon.com. Pick up an ebook or shop by your script for the Martin price. Quick, is okay? Rock, darling. Amadeus University, everything there is bound to color. I pray you can destroy humanity. You will only see the rainbow.
Tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride. Let's go! It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebola DFM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Getting your morning inspired, be informed. Let's interact only on the morning drive. Make it a date with Martin, aka Metal, on Ebola and 103.5 FM from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. on the morning drive. 103.5 FM.
Good morning and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM today, the 10th day of February 2025. Today is Monday and the time is 2 minutes past the hour of 7. It's time for newspaper headlines on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. This morning we are going to take you through the news making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers, but before we do that, let's go for a short break. When we come back, we'll continue on the stories making the headlines. Please stay with us. You're welcome back to newspaper headlines on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. This morning we are going to take you through the news making the headlines on The Guardian, Sun, Daily Post, The Nation, and if time permits, we are also going to take a look at Nigerian Tribune and other newspapers. Remember that you can become part of the conversation by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 081 38 39 7740 or 081 39 25 6742 or 080 65 79 6599. I am Martin. Let's get started with the Guardian newspaper this morning. Akpabio inaugurates Amadeus University as a pioneer students matriculate. Two kingpins excrete 125 wraps of heroin weighing 2.257 kilograms. NIWA tackles area offices over underperformance as officials sign bond. Community mourns as Abiodun describes late Alaperu as great monarch. Sokoto government warns against illegal mining, enforces compliance. Tinubu family, friends pay tribute to Wigwe 1 year after. Ogun reiterates commitment to environmental sustainability. Snakes, monkeys, others must not swallow $1.07 billion health budget, Article warns. FEM unveils mixed-use facility to boost Lagos economy. Foundation commits to improving Makoko residents' welfare. Development, equity concerns fuel controversy over proposed states. Development, equity concerns fuel controversy over proposed states. Ogun reiterates commitment to environmental sustainability. Group backs Anambra's security outfit for crime reduction. Still on the stories making headlines on the Guardian newspaper this morning. Kanu vows to end polio, boost leather industry, explore foreign markets, legislative oversight, a tool for accountability or corruption. Rivers community protests alleged killing of youth by police. Akwa Ibom advocates child rights law review. Why some leaders suffer withdrawal syndrome after leaving office. Gas explosion destroys 550 bags of beans vehicle in Niger. Group seeks support for community health workers, maternal care. Global North owes Nigeria $9.9 trillion in climate reparations, says Action Aid. Rotary partners bank to empower 132 beneficiaries. NAFDAC prescribes death penalty for drug peddlers. FBN Holdings emerges best performing tier 1 bank with 17.65% YTD gains. Man, NECA, one of NPA, customs charges impact on businesses, Nigeria. Nigeria eyes a 451 billion naira Saudi Arabian red meat market in New Deal. Aspirant sues Oyo governor, 19 others over alleged failed due process on Alafin stool. NICA lauds Tinubu's economic policies. Rights group condemns a federal government's road toll policy, calls for suspension. 107 days of blackout. Patients, caregivers desert UCH wards as health services decline. Police heed court ruling to reabsorb retired officers. Socio-economic rights and accountability project sues Tinubu AGF over alleged 167 billion naira fraud by contractors. Two kingpins. We've taken this. Community mourns as Abiodun describes late Alaperus as great monarch. Nigeria, Venezuela strengthens ties on mining investment. Foundation offers free 500 JAMB forms to students in Ondo North. And that's the much we can take from the Guardian newspaper this morning. Still on the stories making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers this morning. From the Guardian newspaper, will flip over to the Sun newspaper. Sokoto moves against illegal mining, unauthorized operations. Opera flags off a 3 kilometer Mbaga Road construction in Ebem Ohafia. Lotus Bank boss others tax business leaders on excellence in 2025. PMI boss urges professionals to balance technical skills with human attributes amid artificial intelligence rise. We will eradicate polio in 4 months. Governor Yusuf. APC dismisses PDP's claims on Alredo Local Government Council leadership. Anambra Guba. APC vows to win November 8th poll. That's the much we can take from the Sun newspaper this morning. Still on the stories making headlines on Nigerian newspapers this morning from the Sun newspaper, we flip over to Daily Post newspaper. South Africa will not be bullied, Ramaphosa says amid Trump attack. Congo crisis, it's time to end it. United Nations chief appeals for mediation. Israel military strike Hezbollah positions in Lebanon. Trump signs executive order to sanction ICC. Trump accused of ignoring rule of law to curb birthright citizenship. U.S. Workers Union sues Trump administration over cuts to USAID. Trump trying to sack me illegally. U.S. Federal Election Commission chair. ICPC arraigns Ministry of Labor official for job racketeering. Communities seek Tinubu's